Hello and welcome back to the Piss Poor Pilot. So the last time we learned how to start up the P51 from cold and fly around a little and crash into the runway. So this time we're starting up from hot and we're going to go and shoot at some things. So I have made a mission here in the mission editor. This is fantastic for bit of training, getting used to your airplane. You can set up any scenario. I have us taking off here on the south coast of England from this Manston airfield, and we're going to take off. We're going to fly south along the coast until we come to Dover Port. And waiting for us in Dover Port we have, where is he? There he is, a Mosquito. And he is on the red team, and hopefully he's going to try and shoot at us, and we're going to try and shoot him first. We also have a speedboat here armed with a machine gun. He'll have a pop at us, so we'll have to deal with him. And the primary target is a few trucks along here, a little convoy of vehicles. Last time I ran this, they ended up in the water, so no, I can't change it now. However, we're going to shoot at them fellas. So, back to the plane. Now, on board we have some rockets, as you can see, 3 on each side, 50 cal machine guns, also 3 on each side. We want to get them armed and ready for action. So, over here we have the guns. We're going to put that in fixed and gyro. That's your heads up display. You want the gyro motor on. You want your guns armed and up, guns, camera and sight up to the top. Rockets, you want them armed, and switch this to single because I only want to fire one rocket at a time. Right, and then we look up here, there's our sight there. That's the fixed sight plus the gyro sight. If you pull this lever down, you get a little filter, so you have your fixed sight in the middle, that's your iron sight, and then this fella on the outside, he'll move around with the plane to show you where the bullets are going to go. But it gets more complicated, so you have to tell this how big is the plane. So the wingspan of the plane, if it is, I think a P51 is about 35 foot, so you take this lever here and you bring that up and set the wingspan. So we're up against a Mosquito. I think he's a little bit bigger than us, so we say about 40 foot. And the range, this fella over here gives you the range, so how far away is he going to be when you're shooting at him. Obviously this will change depending on the circumstances, so I'm going to set it to 100 foot because that's just a guess. I don't know why, to be honest. Right, so I think that's us ready to roll. So we throttle up a little bit, we taxi out to the runway. That was a bit too much throttle, but we're okay. Now, middle of the runway, using the white line to give me an idea if I'm going straight. That's about straight now. So punch it up to about 4.5, 5. Lovely. Using the rudder now to keep her in a straight line. And up she goes. Wheels up. Pulling back on the throttle. Back on the propeller. Now, nice and easy. Gonna hang a right and head south down the coastline. And we should find that Mosquito. right under our nose. We know there's a speedboat down there with a machine gun on it, so we don't want to get too low over the port or we could easily be shot. Nearly in range of this mosquito. Be nice to get them on the first pass. They're a tough bird, the mosquito. It can take a lot of hits. Oh, here we go, torn fight. Flaps down a bit. Gently bringing the nose around. If you pull too hard, you just overstress it. Nose is coming around, lovely. He's in trouble here. No, overstressed it. See that? It's that easy. Tiny bit too much. And again. Right back into the circle. He's got altitude on me. I'm going to give it loads of power. Right on the head. Right where I can't see him. There he is. Ah, we've killed the engine. Right, so that's the end of that. At the port, maybe we can hit the primary target on the way down. There's the convoy. I'm calling that a win.